You go girl coming at you. Pacific Ocean. Off the coast of Ventura, California. We got light winds today, about 7.5. And that just kind of filled in. But the ocean is just filling in calm. Got some little bitty wind coming off that water. And it's just a gorgeous day out here. We don't get too many of these kind of days. At first when I started off, it was a little bumpy out here, but wind filled in and it's starting to move kind of nice. You can see the electric plant there. That's Mandalay Bay. And off to the port side, coast of Ventura. And as we mosey on down this way, we've got Channel Islands Harbor. So I don't know, we're probably about five miles from there. But we're cruising. Pilot's in operation. And moving right along. Just enjoying this Saturday afternoon. A quick shot of the sails. Well, I tell you, this 272, man, she sails like a dream. It really is a nice boat to sail. And heck, I sail it enough. I'm out here at least two times a week. That's year-round sailing. That's a whole lot of hours on the water. But man, this is what we got going. Well, thanks for following with me. And let's shut her down. You go, girl.